Onshore-offshore team collaboration workshops. Managing global teams often feels like conducting an orchestra where half the musicians are playing from a different score. Ever felt that frustration? We've all wrestled with the challenges of distributed work. The late-night calls, the subtle communication misfires, the cultural nuances that can turn a simple email into a misunderstanding. But what if there was a way to not just manage these teams, but to truly unify them? Transforming separate entities into a single, high-performing powerhouse? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Accelerant's onshore-offshore team collaboration workshops, revealing exactly how they help project managers and software teams turn potential chaos into undeniable synergy. Let's be honest, the dream of a seamless global team can often crash into the reality of missed deadlines, spiraling costs, and strained relationships. Picture this. Your onshore development team is racing against a critical deadline, but constant back and forth with the offshore QA team means bugs are caught late, leading to frustrating rework. It's not about competence. It's often about a fundamental lack of shared context, trust, and communication rhythm. Project managers spend more time mediating than innovating. And team members, both onshore and offshore, can feel isolated or misunderstood. This isn't just inefficient. It's a drain on morale and, ultimately, your bottom line. Traditional methods of just talk more rarely fix these deep-seated issues. You need a structured intervention, a catalyst for true change. This is where Accelerant's workshops step in. They're not just another team-building exercise. They're meticulously designed, facilitated sessions that dig deep into the core of how your onshore and offshore teams interact. The workshops focus on 3 key pillars: building profound trust, fostering genuine understanding, and establishing clear, actionable communication frameworks. Imagine a facilitated environment where both sides can openly discuss pain points, not as complaints, but as opportunities for improvement. The workshops use practical exercises, sometimes even role-playing real project scenarios, to unearth hidden assumptions and bridge cultural gaps. Teams learn to decode communication styles, understand differing work priorities, and align on a shared vision. It's about moving beyond simply tolerating differences to actively leveraging them as strengths. The real magic happens when an onshore lead, previously frustrated by what they perceived as slow responses, discovers during a workshop that their offshore counterparts were actually waiting for explicit sign-offs, a cultural norm not typically practiced by the onshore team. That aha moment, that shift from us versus them to we, is the turning point. Teams walk away not just with a list of tasks, but with a renewed sense of shared purpose, clear channels for dialogue, and a solid foundation of mutual respect that transforms their daily operations. The result? Faster delivery, higher quality code, and a team that genuinely enjoys working together. Ultimately, Accelerant's workshops are an investment in your project's success. By fostering a truly collaborative environment, you're not just solving communication problems, you're unlocking potential, accelerating delivery, and building a more resilient, efficient, and happier global team. Ready to see how a unified team can transform your project outcomes? Click on the next video to explore specific success stories from teams just like yours. Visit our website today to learn more.